Malungil sila ko miuro ko ako malum sam le tune in at TMC nga kang clear a willow ngirongkoy. Makoten Meang al Aister el Alsil sa Obis ra Vice President Ministry of Justice aswalo ay Rabwan maseng mlamor niya 24/7 Victims of Crime Advocate Hotline. Tiang adeng war niya 488-4841. Victims of Crime Advocate malubeng voka Aureri ra connectar victims and moraiger rogul services and ngangira bulur bela wal sabin ngo sutrir kay gidal victims. Ngpan namran mo klo a suicide ra bulwad mga kading artyang lo maklat kar adra bulul waseng ngarengi hotline at 775 talk edria kanganya services ra MHHS al sabin ngo sutrir ra malsuko makaw wa uspe anges emotangal mo dong 775 talk malube bo mesteri tirgegi den ngara MHHS ya rogul togol kawa mokmung maiged rogul togol kawa momrul ahmal di confidential di gaw mutirgegi del adam mongot odu ortiram dengay atara Meang al Aisen nara MHHS sa July 9 etira mo lift taiged rogul entry requirements rabulur belaw. And then sorry low Aiser other rogul was saying adi imong al requirement tira da kalbol lifter ngi asel fully vaccinated al requirement metmura bulur belaw. Tiang abulgula was say al suko makawa man mera bulur belaw ang girem at least takam lang Michael tablo lorus ra Moderna malubeng Pfizer malubeng cell 1 lorus ra Johnson. I get requirement hospital or other MHHS adi ra kamo omes del waset mo lift malubeng dingaringi. Dira kalsori low Aisel was a sell outbound testing among must and mo $50 at July 1st. Atara Meang al ay sa World Health Organization amle hold ra EMT training and more toktang nurses mar other AC. Dira kal toktang mar nurses mar other AC at tigel bol diplortir more get disasters rabulur belaw. Etiang a program al trigagi the World Health Organization amrurungi ra Western Pacific region al moraiger rogul bulul ngartagi the region. Atara Meang al ay sa Bureau of Agriculture au ay sa mong nga project the top the mora 20 women's group. Tial aigal project funded by ADB and mora bulur belaw al gile la tokorasers. Malsukum komar tagi del women's group nganya women's group per kamiu e adra ser sang made la dortin at slots letem la hour da 7 project yal somi mo kadong ra director agriculture and Mr. Golin Joseph at 775-2528 atara Meang al ay samlara MOE to ay sanganya tablo intersession programs agay programs radrong lila temela school ay morangi morarangal kala high school el host nga theaters and arts club program tirelal June 23 klugu kolsil sra 6 and 9 PM at the most showcase ay rogul arts tir yang anya klokorir el bol lol olt malsugo mo kom adara bulu e mededa se motang mora civic center 6 PM and 9 PM e mestri tir kay gidel ngalgel belaw nature tay gidel program. Dira kalwan ra intersession program sa Mora Elementary School el mumre ra chundori e dira kal mo showcase ay galuru may galulsub el summer el morning ra civic center ra 5 PM and mo 8 PM ra chundori. Atara Meang al ay sa Meang al ay sa Pacific mini games nga Northern Marianas. Abelaw team ra belaw ra baseball am lewin ay gal first 3 games certir el algop senge tir usogol bentre adrakwam arsara beach volleyball adirek kamne win agel first 2 games tir motang al tun intersel website ra Pacific mini games mo mestra ngalge de usogol tira bulur belaw em oyang artir tara Meang al istil gire la new sports ang algel belaw el Blay Madrid amle debut ra Major League Baseball ra bulur ra Miguel ra team ra Pittsburgh Pirates. Mau era bodo mereka Meang al ay sergi de hale bodo saigel highlights sergi ma interview ni.
Hard hit by Blay Madrid. Captain Blay indeed, and it is 2-0. How about these young buckos getting a shot in the big leagues?
How about the sound that ball made coming off the bat? That was a rocket into the infield.
His family is here Bly Madris, 109.1 miles an hour off the bat. Runner goes, swing and a miss, and a throw down. And Madris not only has his first hit, first RBIs, but his first stolen base after the strikeout of Heineman. Long run, Madris, and Madris, he makes the catch! Bly Madris! What a game so far for these youngsters.
Not too bad right there. I mean, he goes down into a slide because he knows the wall's coming up.
Oh.
Puts his foot up, maybe stop himself.
Sweet play.
That's a fair ball, too.
Yeah.
He shows him.
Oh, that's a fair ball. Bly Madris.
He got a double.
He is 2 for 3 in his first 3 major league at-bats. A 2-run single and a double. Line drive right field.
That's a hit.
Another hit for Bly Madris. A 3-hit night for him. And a drive to right. Hit deep and clear the deck. Blimey! First big league home run. This is just remarkable.
I've had a lot of support from the Palau people over the course of my career so far, and they've really bought into me, and I've really bought into the culture and how proud it makes my father. So just trying to make him proud every single day, and if I make him proud, I know I'll make other people proud. So it's been an amazing journey, and I'm thankful for the opportunity and to be able to have that. So it's awesome.
Ang alay, nos ito del alsils, e kung man masam netunin na TMC, please drive safe and buckle up.